I just want to say no one stopped me. No one stopped me. All right, so this is project time. I have been to Dollar Tree, got some things. This purse, I told it last night. But I've been to Five and Below, got some things. I have been to Marshall's and got some things. And so I have a home project. This is my bathroom. This is what's on my countertops. And so I wasn't going to show y'all, but I got to do better. Oh God. I have a lot of stuff, and it's just stuff. But to me, these are things that I want, I use, and the project is help Chocolate organize and clean her bathroom countertop. So, of course, I'm going to just do a little tour, and then we're going to see how it looks now and what it becomes. So these are all my shades, glasses, shades. So here is like mini central. This is like my makeup, my oils, stuff that lotions, spritz, lotions, cocoa butter, more oils, Abilene coconut oil that I use for my body, my new little hand pump soap, glass one. I think it's so cute. I got from Marshall's. My Mr. Bright I got from Marshall's. This dental callus remover I bought from Amazon. Facial cleanser, toothbrushes for like my edges, and scissors and combs, and this case and mirror and toothbrush, and my remote for my lights, face cream, bracelets, wipes, travel makeup, I don't know what these are called, edge layer downy thing, makeup, lipstick, brushes, another basket of stuff, alcohol, more soap, Epsom salt, just stuff, deodorants and lotions, and my Hello Kitty, she's covered in stuff, and then jewelry that I wear, because I got to show you my other jewelry, but I'm not touching the jewelry. Sprays and lotions and perfumes and stuff. And then more jewelry and earrings and stuff. But that is not what I'm showing you guys. That's not what I'm tackling today. What I'm tackling is this bathroom counter. And this has been bothering me for quite some time. And today I said, hey, we got to do something about it. So I'm not going to go like a foot by foot or a step by step footage on it. But what I am going to do is just like kind of record, fast forward, kind of just going through it or what have you. Yeah, so I put the phone down. But anyway, so like I said, I went to Marshall's, Dollar Tree, and Five and Below. And some stuff I bought, for the kitchen. I bought other things. But what I want to do is total it all up. What I don't use, I want to take back. But I want to use, my stuff and use it accordingly. And then all this stuff that I don't use on a day-to-day basis that don't need to be exposed, I want it to be under the cabinet. So this is a project. So pray for me. And if you want to help, you should pull up. But anywho, that's what my first YouTube project is going to be. So let's see. So this is just the stuff that I got from Five and Below, Dollar Tree, and Marshalls. But I also went and got this tablet from Metro PCS that I'm going to try to use for editing. So I always have to use my big old laptop. But I'm so excited because I just want to share a couple of the things that I got. This is from Five Below. I don't know if y'all remember this game, Who Is It? But I used to love this game. I got some Dollar Tree pictures to go, you know, just on the walls where my toilet is. This little relax thing. I thought that was so cute. These are oil and vinegar dispensers, but I'm going to put like my mouthwash in one and alcohol or whatever. I decided to put in the other one. I don't know what's going in this jar, but it had my initial Toronto T on it. Some Q-tips and dental floss picks. I love those. And it has the mint on it, so I really like that. I got this car stand for my phone for my truck. I needed another one. Oh, look at what I got. That's so cute. These are my red and black are my favorite colors, and so I got Hello Kitty luggage tags. If you know, you know I love all things Hello Kitty. I got, let me get this big thing out of the way. I got this blazing glass oil diffuser. I'm about to set that up. And my girl Gina, I got these Sleep Tight Him and Hers melatonin gummies. So I'm going to try these out tonight because if you know, you know, I have been up. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, chocolate drops and dolls and chips. Today is Sunday, April 2nd. Yesterday I bought a lot of stuff for this bathroom and it's like 8-something in the morning. I'm up. I've made my a matcha latte, iced matcha latte. I done broke a nail, so don't worry about that. But I'm about to hit this bathroom. I'm about to tackle it. I'm about to organize it, or at least try, because I got a party to go to this afternoon. So, yeah. I'm ready. I got my caffeine ready. And it's so good. All right, so stay tuned. Oh, all right, so the first thing I've done is got 2 baskets on the floor and 2 trash bags for things that I want to keep, things that I want to trash, and of course the trash bags are for the things that are trash, but things I want to keep to go under here is in one basket, and things that don't or should not go in here in another basket, and it needs to be put up and put away properly. But it is what it is. But I can tell you first and foremost, this iced matcha latte is what I need. And it is so good today. Yeah. All right, I have tackled my bathroom counter, and this is what I got. I feel so much better. Oh, good afternoon, chocolate dolls. So this morning I cleaned up my bathroom, and I got one thing to take back to Marshall's, and then I'm going to get these raggedy nails done. So I just was letting y'all know what I was doing the rest of the day. But my bathroom turned out really, really cute, and it's comfortable now. I know where my stuff at. I got rid of a lot of stuff. I gave away a lot of stuff, or I'm giving away a lot of stuff. And then I need to go by Metro PCS, see about this phone. Oh, and there's one right there. Look at God. So I'm gonna go to Marshall's and take back the oils I bought for my diffuser. It has a roller. It's for pressure points. It's not for a diffuser. So I bought the wrong type of oils. But I already had some oils, so it worked out. And I love my diffuser. It's so really cute. Roll this one up. But anywho, so today is again Sunday. I am your girl, the real milk chocolate. And yeah, I'm going to get these nails done. I know I got, 12 days before I go to Jamaica. But I've broken I've taken out 4 out of 10. So I have 6 nails left. So yeah, anywho, holla at your girl. Alright, I'm about to put this phone down because I'm about to get my nails done. If y'all can see, this one popped out. This one popped out. But all my stones still holding on from the last time. This one popped out. This one popped out. And again, my stones is holding on. So, I don't know. But I'm about to go to sleep in this chair. When I tell you, it feels so good. And just on this head. But yeah, so I've had a great day. Got a lot done. Got my bathroom done. The party I was supposed to go to, we decided not to go. And then I decided to come on to the nail shop and have a fresh set for the week. But anywho, I'm going to log out for today in this vlog. Thank you for watching. I'm your girl, the real milk chocolate. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I think my next project is going to be my shoes, transitioning my winter shoes to spring and summer shoes. I think I'm going to do that. But if you know, you know. And shoes is a beast. So stay tuned.